Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on hotspot in 2026 Infiniti QX80. So check your infotainment screen and press this settings button. Now select connections. And right there it's already selected here, but if it's not, just click on vehicle hotspot and then turn it on. Now you want to make sure that your device has a Wi-Fi on, and then the easiest way to connect it is to scan this QR code, or other ways, as it says here, just to under Wi-Fi settings you need a search for Infiniti hotspot 1114 and then enter this password here, and then you will have internet in your vehicle. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.